Hey, on the Galaxy M34 5G, you can easily copy apps. As you can see here, I'm using two YouTube apps at the same time. I'm gonna open it into the split screen view. There we go. So now let me show you step by step how to do this. Okay, so first you have to open the settings. Now from here, scroll down into the security and the privacy. And now scroll and go into the secure folder. From here, click continue 2 times. Now all you have to do is just wait for the creating process. Okay, and next when it's created you have to select the lock type, so I'm gonna use the fingerprint and also set the pattern. For example, you can set the same pattern that you are using for the screen lock, but you don't have to, you can decide. Next, when you input your lock method, click continue, and then you can actually enable reset with the Samsung account, and it will help you to restore the password if you forgot it. In my case, I'm gonna tap cancel and let's go next. And here we successfully create this secure folder. Now if you want to add here any apps, click on the plus and simply select them by tapping on each icon. Then click add. If you don't have right here any application, you can for sure download them by using the Play Store or the Galaxy Store. But of course, from here, you have to also log into your Google account. And just take a look. Here I just open it. That's our secure folder. So now I can actually open Gmail and open second Gmail right here. Now when I go for the background, as you can see here, I am able to use these two apps at the same time. So there's the application and there we go. So yeah, that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.